The jobs we are going to be talking about are software developer, computer and information research scientist, and database administrator. You must be wondering what the purposes of these jobs are and what they all do. What are the advantages? And what are the disadvantages? The purpose of these careers and what they all share in common is that they are based in computer occupations, which happen to be one of the fastest growing fields. In 2009, the tech industry had lost nearly 1% of employment, but in 2010, they had regained them drastically and surpassed numbers from 2008. From 1990 to 2001, employment levels rose tremendously, and that's when many companies had started to invest in computer systems. Between 2001 to 2011, employment in computer systems or related increased by 18%. This chart focuses on the employment distribution of computer systems design and related services in 2011. 46% were computer system design services and 43% were custom computer programming services. This one shows employment in the computer systems and design related services industry in thousands from 1990 to 2011. And this last chart shows projected percent change in employment in selected occupations in computer system designs and related services from 2010 to 2020. Since computers have grown immensely throughout the past several decades, there are needs to be able to know what to do when they get tricky or malfunction. We could help the elderly with their electronics and technology. We could celebrate when we don't make mistakes on the internet and not get mad. Moving on. What are the advantages? Well, as previously stated earlier, the IT and computer field is rapidly growing and pays very well. This photo shows the average salaries for the most popular computer science job titles. They can range from $70,000 a year to $110,000 a year. And the disadvantages. There are long hours that are common through all jobs involved with IT, such as angry customers, long and difficult work hours, lies on how they malfunctioned, and you're going to be alone a lot. Software developer. A person concerned with facets of the software development process, including the research, design, programming, and testing of the computer software. The hourly pay is $48.41. You need a bachelor's degree, and there's 17% of growth in each year. They are high in demand currently, and they spend their jobs working on client projects and writing new code. They need to be able to concentrate and collaborate with others. Computer and information research scientist. Research scientists that invent and design new approaches to computer technology and find innovation uses for existing technology. They study and solve complex problems in computing, business, medicine, and science.
The average annual USA salary is $111,000. They get $54 per hour. And there is a 10.7% growth in jobs for the next 10 years. A bachelor degree is required in computer science. Database administrator. These people are in charge of storing, organizing, presenting, using and analyzing database management software. For example, they can integrate data from old systems to new systems. The average works 40 hours a week in an office. The meanly hour wage is $42, and annually they get $189,000. A bachelor degree is needed in computer science or any other related field. There's 11% rise in job openings for the next 10 years. You are on call at all times, so if there's a mistake that happens, you are responsible for fixing that, no matter what your conditions are. There are 400,000 computer science students and 1.4 million computing jobs. You do what makes you happy in life, but make sure the door can be open.